Hello students, welcome to RP Education Class App. In this video, we are going to see one of the official public notice that was released by the University Grant Commission regarding the self-plagiarism or republishing of own thesis. Before going into the details, if you are planning to give UGC NET June 2020 exam of management, that is paper code 17, then it is a very good news to all of you that the online course is available for this subject, where you will get the full notes of 10 units of paper 2 of management as per the updated syllabus, which is totally exam oriented and every topic is described thoroughly. Along with that, you will get the unit wise MCQs and previous year question sets. Also, you will get online lectures by which your concept on the subject will be more clear. So the interested candidates may contact with me by comment here or by mail, which is given in the description box. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Then you are going to get the top updates and immediate notification from RP Education Class App. Now coming to the present topic of the video, that a public notice is released by UGC on 20th April regarding self-plagiarism. Here UGC states that in the interest of Indian academy to promote Indian research among the nations and to ensure credibility and quality, from time to time UGC has instituted various measures. In its efforts to curb plagiarism, the UGC issued the University Grant Commission Promotion of Academic Integrity and Prevention of Plagiarism in Higher Education Institutions Regulation 2018, so that plagiarized work does not acquire any credibility or value in evaluation. In continuation of its initiatives and in line with global standards of ethical publishing established by leading institutions and Committee on Publication Ethics, that is COPE, the UGC draws the attention of the academic community of the following. The number one is reproduction in part or whole of one's own previously published work without adequate citation and proper acknowledgement, and claiming the most recent work as new and original for any academic advantage amounts to text recycling and is not acceptable. Number 2 is text recycling or self-plagiarism includes republishing the same paper already published elsewhere without due and full citation, publishing smaller or accepted work from a longer and previous without due and full citations in order to show a large number of publications, reusing data already used in a published work or communicated for publication in another work without due and full citation, breaking up a longer or larger study into smaller sections and publishing them as altogether new work without due and full citation, paraphrasing one's own previously published work without due and full citation of the original. Number 3 is self-citations do not add any number to the individual citation index or age index in global academia. Number 4 is Vice Chancellors, Selection Committee, Screening Committees, IQACS, and any experts involved in academic performance and assessment are hereby strongly advised, and their decisions in the case of promotions, selections, credit allotment, award of research degrees must be based on an evaluation of the applicant's published work to ensure that the work being submitted for promotions or selections is not self-plagiarized. So the UGC will be issuing a set of parameters to evaluate instances of text recycling or plagiarism soon. So students, this is the public notice which is stated by the University Grant Commission on 20th April 2020 about the self-plagiarism or republishing any thesis work. So it is the update that I want to provide through this video from my channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Thank you.